redeem myself.
Welcome to another episode of Two Foodie Dudes. I am Zach, this is Brian, and today we're going to be making a basket weaved egg omelet with ham and cheese. Super simple. All you're gonna need is some eggs, applewood smoked bacon, butter, some premium ham,
Ooh, only the finest,
and classic American cheese. So, to get started, Brian's gonna crack us some eggs. I'm gonna get started on cutting up the premium ham for this, and all you're gonna need to do...
Are these the brand new eggs, or this is the leftover boiled eggs from Easter?
Okay.
Sorry about that. Apparently we did have the right eggs, so I'm gonna redeem myself here with it. Okay, so I'm gonna start cracking the eggs in the bowl, get them whisked up nice. While I'm doing that, Zach's gonna prepare the premium ham. So let's just dive on in here and get these.
I think we want to pan, so you really want to for tomorrow morning.
Yep. So I like to use every bit of the animal. So we've cracked the egg, they're destroyed. Yeah. But look at all this, we've left all of this on the table.
That's a lot of
this
protein.
is a lot of good stuff left out here. So I'll move those over.
Yeah.
I can fashion like a little shovel here.
Yeah.
See that?
Look at that.
So we want to get this whisked up real nice.
I'm going to get the premium ham prepared. What you want to do for that is you want to stack the ham like so they're all on top of each other. Then you want to cut north to south from right to left. I like using a serrated knife because it kind of gives like a nice fun design. So if your kids are helping you with this, they can be cutting. So once you're done going all the way through like that, you want to rotate your cutting board 90 degrees counterclockwise and do the same thing going this way. So you can see just all the little ham chunks right
Magnifico!
there. Yeah, it's delicious. Yeah, that's good.
Here, can I get a taste there?
Yeah, here you go. There you go. The next step is to actually make the omelet. So to do that, you add a little bit of butter. Then Brian, with his perfectly whipped eggs, is gonna come over and he's gonna dump those right on in there, like so. Look at that.
Oh boy.
Oh, looks like a little too big, but that's okay. But the ham, you want to kind of sprinkle it around a little bit. And make sure you use all the ham you have at your disposal.
Make sure we get all of it in there.
There we go.
All right, for my favorite part of the dish is the bacon part, and it's the bacon weave. So for those of you at home that don't know what a bacon weave is, it's essentially like making a basket and to hold stuff in. And for this case, it's gonna be, we're making the basket out of bacon. Place one on top and then one underneath, one on top, and so forth all the way down the line.
And voila! Through the magic of TV, we now have a bacon weave ready to go for our omelet. So I say we hop on over and check out the omelet.
Let's check out the omelet. All right, so what is an omelet without cheese, right? Well, omelette, Zach applies some cheese in here. We're gonna get it nice and melted. And so we wanna lay that in there. And what's gonna happen here is the cheese sits right on top and the egg and the ham come up from underneath. And it's just like it's bringing up all the flavor into the cheese, and the cheese is going to soak down into it, and it works kind of like it compresses on top of each other, and that's when all the flavors just mesh together and it brings out this flavor.
All right, now that the omelet is done being cooked, we're going to put it on top of the bacon weave like so. And then this is actually a two-person job, which is why we have Brian here. Not the only reason, he's a chef too. But he's gonna start from this end, I'm gonna start from this end, we're gonna then weave the bacon together. So
we'll meet in the middle, I guess?
Yeah, we'll meet in the middle. So just wrap this around.
Ooh, so I don't think we got enough bacon.
Just for a good
right up there over the top, tied on like a bow, huh?
Yeah, there we go.
A little Christmas present.
There we go. All right, I've got the bacon weave omelet here. Brian is getting the pan ready, and we're about to apply it.
We need to make sure that we don't clean the pan because you want a seasoned pan. You want all the good stuff left in there. So
I'm gonna hold this here,
that back
and then
in there.
you do want to pick it up and put it in there. It's a little warm still, so be careful.
I got strong hands.
When I say warm, it's...
There we go. Oh, Jesus. Yep, that's warm. What's that? Yeah.
Eat me.
Dude, why didn't you get paper towels? This is ridiculous.
Hot pan.
All right, we're ready to plate this thing.
All right, you can see the nice weave on it right there. Let me just get this. Oh, you can hear that bacon. That guy on there. All right.
Is that cooked?
I wish I cut it. How about this way?
Which way is north?
That's a good point. All right, I'm gonna get this nice cut right down the middle. All right, it's
Nice,
and
get a good
hot.
pull apart. Oh my god, that actually looks really,
Look at
really good.
that.
Now you have your melted cheese oozing out a little bit. Your hams are in there layered, and then you have a nice egg outer shell, and then the bacon just
sets it off.
encompasses everything in it. I think what we need to do is we're gonna create a drizzle to
We
put
got some Frank's Red Hot right here. This is this.
That's convenient.
We got this stuff handy. That was over there.
Yep.
So
Clean that up.
how about we do a little bit of Frank's Red Hot,
Okay.
and then some lemon, and this sauce.
Splash of lemon.
Yep, this sauce.
Couple drips.
It's a real nice buffalo flavor with just like a little bit of lemon in it, so it really kind of.
Ooh, they complement each other.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and stir this up here. And then we're gonna drizzle it on the.
Make sure you do it nice and slow.
Yeah. So we're gonna tight shot this, and we'll just go nice and slow on it. Nice little drizzle, and then kind of.
Look at that color.
We have one more thing to do, and that is to dive into our bacon weave omelet.
Savage.
So
I think I'm gonna let you dive in first, right?
he's such a ham. All right, how about the same time?
Yeah, let's do
There
this.
we
You
go.
get that corner, I'll take this corner here.
Ooh, you can see the
Oh my goodness.
you can see the butter just oozing out of all the orifices.
Melted cheese.
Get some bacon there, get some egg. What are your initial thoughts?
Oh my god. This is my new favorite breakfast. Yeah, Frank's Red Hot.
And it really sets over top with a little bit of lemon. Well, this is an easy dish you can do at home.
This is really good.
Yeah, it's really
We surprised ourselves.
I know. So yeah, we'll have the directions and the ingredients below. So if you get bored and want to make a delicious breakfast meal to impress all your friends and family, I recommend the bacon weave omelet. So
You got the 2 Foodie Dudes sign of approval.
cheers.
So I like to use every bit of the animal. Okay. So I like to use every bit of the animal.